Your keyboard was designed to slow some people down, not because slow typing was healthier, but because fast typing could make the machine fight back. Early typewriters used metal arms, each carrying a letter. Press a key, and its arm struck an inked ribbon in paper. Common letter pairs typed quickly could send nearby arms into the same tiny space. They collided, tangled, and jammed the machine mid-sentence. The QWERTY layout spread letters across the keyboard instead of grouping common pairs. Its goal was fewer mechanical pileups, not maximum finger speed. Later, sturdier machines reduced jamming, but QWERTY was already familiar, widely manufactured, and taught in schools. It survived after its original reason mostly faded. That means every time you hunt for a letter, you may be using a fossil from a machine that could jam, like, comment, and subscribe for more strange facts hiding in everyday objects.